In today's video, I am going to teach you how to send bulk emails in Brevo. By the end of this walkthrough, you will have a campaign created, your recipients added, your email designed from a template, and your send time scheduled. Start by logging into your Brevo account and looking at the main navigation. Find Marketing, then go into Campaigns and choose Email. This is where Brevo keeps all of your email campaigns, including drafts and scheduled sends, so it is the best place to begin when you want to send a message to a larger list. Next, click Create Campaign. When Brevo asks what type of campaign you want to make, choose Email. Then give your campaign a clear name. Use something that helps you recognize it later, like the purpose of the email or the month you are sending it. A good campaign name makes it easier to stay organized when you have multiple sends. Once the campaign is created, you will add the people who will receive it. Click Add Recipients. From here, select your list. Make sure you choose the correct list, especially if you manage multiple audiences, because this selection controls who receives the email. After you have selected the list you want, click Save to lock in your recipient choice. Now it is time to build the email itself. Click Design Email, and then select a template. Templates help you move faster and stay consistent with branding. Pick the template that matches the layout you need, whether that is a simple announcement, a newsletter-style design, or a promotional message. After the template opens, take a moment to confirm it matches your intent before moving on. When you are satisfied and ready to leave the editor, click Save and Quit. This keeps your work stored as a draft and brings you back to the campaign flow, so you can finish preparing the send. Finally, click Schedule. This is where you choose when Brevo will send your bulk email. Scheduling is helpful if you want to send at a specific time or if you are preparing campaigns ahead of time. That covers everything you need to know.